welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. I am going to unbox some Amazon products purchased by my friend Chantal from Raven's Compendium. She also has movie minis YouTube page. I will link them all below, but basically we got together and we decided, we usually do swaps, but with the cost of everything plus the cost of shipping, we decided to just purchase. So we've bought each other's stuff. Check out the video below where I sent her some supplies also. We had a budget, and then we decided to go shopping in each other's local stores. So for me, most of my craft supplies are from Amazon. I do have a couple really cool places that I do buy some things here and there from, but when we're talking about like a project, I would go for Amazon because I can get a variety of things. For her, I went to Amazon, but I also went to a place called Witchcraft Do You Do, or yeah, Witchcraft Do You Do, which is a really cool craft store in Australia. They do ship to the US, but the minimum price for free shipping, which is what I was going by, is much higher. So anyways, check out her video below after you watch this, but let's see what she sent to me. I am going to make a journal out of whatever it is that's in here. Probably also some ephemera to fill in the journal pages. It'll be a whole big series, not big, but couple 2-3 different videos for you to enjoy. But that's enough ado. So without further ado, let's see what she sent me. So I do have 2 packages here, both from Amazon. I have no idea what she sent me. All I told her is I was thinking kind of like a foresty type journal, and then this is what she chose from that. So first thing up, ooh, it says fragile. Mixed green, I see that. This looks like some mixed papers. So that sounds fun. A lot of plastic. Oh, there it is. I'm going to cut open the folder if I didn't have to. It's like plastic, covered in plastic, covered in tape. I don't know what's going on. Okay. See I see all the tape now. And it's still a sealed plastic bag. Okay. There we go. That was interesting. Alright, and then looks like it's taped on top of it. While I'm trying to get this open, make sure you check out my junk journal page. If you're not already a member, I do have a Facebook junk journal page. It's pretty large and just getting bigger, that I will be posting creations and behind the scene things on there as well, as I create. This is awesome. So this is like mulberry paper, I believe is what it's called. It's got like fibers weaved into the paper. So this is an awesome choice for a foresty theme. Ooh, look at these greens. Very, very pretty. Growing up, green was my favorite color. Purple's my favorite color now. But growing up, green was my favorite color, so I'm actually pretty excited to be working on a green journal. I've done purple with her, I've done blue, now I'm doing green. So very pretty mulberry papers. So let's see what's next. Ooh, next is Tim Holtz Remnant Rub-Ons. Very nice. Should we see what's in that? The cost of craft supplies has gone up, so that was part of our decision in doing shopping, because number one, shipping was over $100 already. Whenever I created a box for her, I was always paying over $100 to ship it US, and then, or really close to 100. I think once it was like 89. And that doesn't count all the stuff that was in it. So that's why we decided, we usually do one twice a year, and this time it was just easier to do it this way. Next up is Tim Holtz. Ooh, Field Notes Snippets. I've seen these. I love these because they have a lot of little small pieces as well. So it's awesome. I'm not going to show you all of those. But they look like they're really cool little specimen. I could definitely make some specimen cards, things like that. Some slides. Yeah, anyways, so many ideas. So far, she is hitting it out of the park. And then we have some washi tape. Gorgeous. Tried to find some washi tape for her. Couldn't find any that would work. So, just saying. Actually, no. Maybe some washi stickers are going her way. But other than that, beautiful. I love butterflies. So this is the perfect color palette. Next, ooh, she did a lot of Tim Holtz, and Tim Holtz stuff has definitely gone up in price. Organic, I like it. So it actually goes very well with well, all of Tim Holtz stuff goes well together. Let's just put it that way, but it goes very well with the Field Notes. Next up is 60-piece scrapbook, scrap-boo, book, scrap-boopy book, paper for junk journal crafts made in China. It's like, focus on that. Anyways, time, ooh, there's a whole bunch in here. Time and Space Lovers. So we have, oh, there's like archways. So that one's pretty. That one's like archways. This one's like frames. Round frames. Heart frames. Frames. Very nice. So these are all different frames. These are going to be perfect. Perfect color scheme. Should definitely hit the head, hit the nose, hit the head, hit the nose on the color scheme. Thank you. New sticker set. Deco paper. Oh, these are washi stickers, I believe. I think I have some similar to this. Oh, look at those. Oh, they even came with some tweezers to help you get rid of the sticky. So here's a bunch of stickers, and then it's got some cards in it. These will be perfect. Very, very nice. I like the stamps. This is a really good bundle of different things to use for ephemera. Gorgeous. And then a piece of paper. Stickers. So I guess these are sticker sheets, but it's a sticker set, and these are not. So they sent you some stickers. So that was it for package number 1. Pretty good haul just in package number 1. But package number 2 has a couple items in it too. So let's see what's in there. First up, I'll see what this box is. Ooh, ribbon. She like covered every base like possible here. So perfect little junk journal kit that she sent me. Oh, look at those. Gorgeous colors. Ooh, they're so soft. Very nice quality. Perfect colors. Love that. Ooh, and then this other one's paper. Ooh, Stamperia. Stamperia is one of my favorite brands. And this is the Spring Botanic Scrapbook. Let's see what's in here, and then I will show you everything. Sorry for the noise. Oh, look how pretty that is. These will be great to cut out and use as cards. You see both sides, and they're double-sided. Little snail. So Stamperia is, like I said, one of my favorite, I think there's a couple 3 brands that I like a lot. Stamperia is one of them. I say that I just bought some papers for a journal I'm doing, personal journal I'm doing for a European trip I went on last year, but I don't keep up with the new releases very well, and I should, because that is gorgeous. I don't know if it's a new release, so I'm just saying in general. So I made a mess, but here is what I will be making a junk journal page from, and some ephemera, and whatever else I can think of. This I put on backwards, but you get the idea. And the gorgeous mulberry papers. So let me know what you think. What would you make with all of this in the comment box below. And watch out for next video, creating the journal cover. I believe will be my next one. Journal book, I should say. And yeah, thanks for watching. And thank you, Chantal, for an amazing package, as always.